Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Judy and you are watching Running So-and-So. And look at me. I've just got back from a trip away to see my lovely parents-in-law down south and I've come home to this. So, do you think it's time for this thing to come off? And for me to unbox this? Let's have a look. But first of all, I've got to move a few things because it's very good. Look how I left my sewing room. I even covered up the sewing machine with its cover. So, shall we move over with this and let's have a little look in the box. I've got this charged as well. So there we go, let's have a little look. See if I can find a pair of scissors. So off we go. Into the box. I've been really good. I've seen online as I've been driving home today, people saying, oh look, my box is different this month. My box is yellow and pink and white. Do you think that could be a hint to what's inside my box? I'm just going to tilt this down a little bit. I'm still playing with my ring light that this lovely colleague of mine gave me. I should say thank you which one of Jane's daughters it was, but there we go. Let's have a little look. Oh, I do like the box. Let's get rid of the plastic out of the way. And we've got here, it says here, snip, snip, pretty things inside. Shall we snip, snip? Shall we snip, snip? Are we ready? And as I say, always, 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 you see this at the same time as me. So before we do, I'm just going to do a little test here. Just having a little look. I'm looking in that. How's that? We'll go here. We ready? Out of the blue, out of the blue, out of the blue. I am absolutely adoring the photograph. I'm sorry, you can see that. Look at that stunning photograph. I could actually see that embroidered. It is absolutely stunning. I'm going to come on the other side here. Scan the code with your phone to access the e-book. This month's box contains 2.5 meters of fabric and there are 2 colourways. Oh, I'm so excited. And look, I have got blue tissue paper. Well, it says it's out of the blue, doesn't it? Out of the blue. I should perhaps hold, oh, you can't see it there. Maybe it should be here. Maybe I should prop it up there. Out of the blue. And we have blue tissue paper and we have the most amazing sticker. It's got a lovely blue ring to it this time. So can you see, I say a blue ring, can you see the flowers around the edge are in blue? Right, off we go. I'm tearing. Oh, I've got blue, I've got blue, I've got blue. Oh, I can see the fabric. Can you see the fabric here? Oh my gosh, this is really going to cause some problems for me because I'm going on holiday in like 5 days time and I'm changing my diary. I have got some lovely Fox's Glacier mints and do you know what they'll be great for? I'm going on an aeroplane. In fact, I have got 3 aeroplane rides next week. First, second, third, and one for good measure. And it says here, it's called a Maker's Project Pad and it's by Lobby Creative. Can you see here, Lobby Creative? And it's been exclusively designed for Beyond the Pink Door and it's picked up the most beautiful bird. It's a stork or a pelican, but it's tinged up with the blue that goes beautifully with this. Can you see? Is that not just so stunning? Let's have a little look. Oh, look at these. So we've got project notes and I'm just going to try and pull you out a little bit. Because you want, let me just push this back. I don't really want to move the camera because I seem to have got it lined up really nicely. So we've got the pelican. I'm assuming it's a pelican that's just in there. And forgive me if I'm wrong, but I've just spent 5 hours on the M1. So the date your project started, the date your project finished, the name of your project, space for a little sketch, perhaps a little piece of fabric. Now these will go beautifully inside my notebook. A few notes, and I'm currently using a lovely notebook and these will go inside my notebook beautifully because as much as I adore Stash Hub, There's nothing more I love than having a piece of paper that I can actually put notes and details on, and I've been doing that, so I will be putting these directly inside my notebook that I've got there, and it's by Lobi Creative, and it's a United Kingdom company, so I shall be checking out their Instagram, because Lobi Creative have got an Instagram page. So that, before I even start looking at the fabric, oh, blue. Thank you, Andrea. What more can I say? Look at this. A lovely little bit of rickrack. Look at this. It is nothing short of beyond stunning. It feels stunning. I haven't even checked the fibre of the fabric, but I'm wondering if it might be a bit of a lawn. Do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to move the camera. I'll be back with you in 1 second. See my face when I unboxed it then, but I do hope that you heard the reaction in my voice, because I adore this. I absolutely love it. Oh, I can see so much in it, and I need to talk to you about it. But first, I'm going to check the barcode out, because I want to check the base. I don't want to say one thing and it is another. The one I have, there's 2 different fabrics. One is a dead stock from Zara, and the other one is a dead stock from Liberty. And it is, let me just zoom it in, Lagos Laguna Paisley. And that's the one I have been fortunate enough to receive. And it is a 100% cotton poplin. And it is stunning. And you can see it has these beautiful blue colours that represent, I would say, a laguna. A laguna to me means lagoon and sea colours, and the beautiful colours of the sea and the sky coming together. And paisley being such a traditional English colour, such an English design, sort of coming a little bit from Scotland there. And I'm going to hold it up, and I can see leaves. I can see like a fish. Can you see? Hold on a minute. I can see like flowers here. What is it? Flowers in here. I can see like a flower in here. But depending on how you catch that, is that a fish or is that a bird? And you can, this is a sort of fabric you can look at lots of different, I can see leaves, and I can see so many things. I can see flower buds, I can see leaves. I'm convinced I can see birds. I'm wondering if I can see a rabbit. But this fabric needs to be something really, really special. And at the moment, I am devoid of ideas. There are my standards. You know, I could do another regalia blouse, but do I want to do another one just yet? Perhaps not. I would love to do, I think, one of the Maison Fauve blouses, maybe a Bellini blouse, and with a bit of careful cutting, maybe I could get a Bellini blouse and an Ogden Cami out of it. Just a thought. Do you know, maybe I should do maybe a Donny Shirt as well. Let me just have a little look on my patterns up here. I've pulled out some patterns from my pattern collection, which I think could make this blouse beautifully. Now, the first one I'm lifting up here is the Maison Fauve Dahlia blouse. That takes 1.75 meters. I've got the Chelsea blouse, which is a blouse I've wanted to make for a while. And again, we're looking 1.50 meters to 1.65 meters. And I've pulled out, I thought I pulled out 3 patterns from Maison Fauve, but no, I haven't. The other one is the Reverie Blouse by Lise Taylor, which is lovely. It's got a little peplum on the bottom, and I think that could look absolutely superb in this. It's suggesting a satin cotton, a Vistis, a Baptista cotton, which we're looking at something a little bit crisper. The Dahlia blouse is, let me hold it up here. And please excuse, I've just torn it off. Look at this, there can we see. The Dahlia blouse with its ruche collar looks like a shirt with long sleeves and nice rounded pleats that decorate the back piece. It is fitted without being a tight skin on the bust. And it says the fabric choices for the Dahlia is wide. You could use voile, satin, cotton, crepe, lace. You could even contrast your ruche collar. So actually on the ruching of the collar on this, you could actually use the beautiful rickrack. That is, oh, ta-da, the rickrack that is also included. So that is my top favourite, and I think that would look superb with a lovely pair of jeans for the winter. So I'm wondering whether this is the blouse for this fabric. And careful cutting, and I might be able to slip out an Ogden Cami as well, or a Donny Shirt. I don't have the Donny Shirt pattern yet, but it's one that I want to buy. Now, on that really quick note, with my beautiful fabric next to me, and a picture of this, and I love shirts with high necks, and I need long sleeve shirts as we move through to the winter. I'm just thinking that this is something, if I could get a Donny Shirt and a DahliaBlouse out of it, that would make me the happiest sewist around. Thank you so much for watching this crazy little person who's just shot back from Oxford. I'll see you all again very, very soon, because boy have I got some lovely things to show you. I've been to two fabric shops, and I've got 4 new pieces of fabric, and I'm feeling rather guilty with myself, but the big question is, how much of it can I get sewn up before I go away next week? That's the big question. And as my lovely friend Lorianne has just pointed out, you've got enough to make another Rydell jumpsuit. Let's see what happens. I'll see you all again very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and lots of love. Bye-bye.